Well, Akshay Marathe, let's be clear. The Supreme Court did not give a clean chit to Mr. Kejriwal even when they gave him a clean interim bail so that he could campaign in the election. At no stage has he got a clean chit. Just as you're saying that the ED has not proved the money trail, you cannot argue it at the moment at least that anyone has given the Chief Minister a clean chit just yet.
Rajiv ji, I want to clarify. I did not raise any aspersions on the High Court judge. I was merely pointing out that there are different systems that work for different people. But let me come to your question specifically. Under the PMLA law, in which Mr. Kejriwal got bailed yesterday by the trial court.
When you say that, just a minute. Both of you, ma'am, this is a sensitive matter. Go ahead, Akshay, and then I'll go to Sanjay Hegde. Yes.
Under Section 45 of the PMLA, which granted bail to Arvind Kejriwal ji yesterday, it is a very high bar for getting bail. You only get bail if the judge is convinced that there is no offense made out against you and that the judge thinks that you will not commit an offense if you are let out on bail. So when you have such a high bar for giving bail to someone, that bail can be treated as good as a clean chit because the trial has not even come close to starting. Rajdeep ji, unfortunately, our system is so slow. The investigation is on for 2 years.
Yes,
the trial is
and that's
probably
why it can
going
be
to start
challenged.
after several years. So at this stage, what do we have? We only have the bail hearings. The trial has not begun. So on the basis of the bail hearing, if the bail has been granted, how can we not say that the judge has felt convinced that there is no offense made out?
You've made your point, Akshay. I want to ask you, Sanjay Hegde, the point that is being made by Mr. Marathe is that look at Yediyurappa's case. How does he not even get touched or arrested? The fact is it's a very different case. It's not PMLA. But you've got a case of Hemant Soren. He's been trying for bail for months on end. He was jailed in late January. He was not even allowed a break to go and campaign in the election like Arvind Kejriwal was. Manish Sisodia has been in jail in this very case for 15 months. Satyendra Jain for almost 2 years. I mean, is there a worry that you have that every time a political party doesn't get what they would like from the court, immediately questions are raised about the judiciary?
Well, the judiciary can take care of itself.
No, does it have double standards? Does the judiciary also have double standards? Or is the problem with PMLA?
Well, there are many. No, there is certainly a problem with the PMLA because in effect it empowers the investigating agency to just throw somebody in jail and then throw away the key and say that no court can give bail. If any court gives bail, it has to come to a prima facie satisfaction that there is no guilt, and they can't arrive at a prima facie satisfaction without a trial. And we will not hold a trial for kingdom come. So that is the real problem. And courts now are looking past the facial averment that, look, you can't grant bail. So that's what has happened in this case. Based on the prosecution's own arguments, the courts have drawn inferences. And on this question about look at the record and this and that, what the trial court records is, although various bulky documents and citations have been filed by both parties, most of which were not even relevant in respect of the present application, but it seems that both parties have filed the same along with detailed arguments with the apprehension as to an order may be passed in favor of the other party. So what the court says is that, look, you can't just keep on indulging in a filibuster so that no effective orders are passed.
That Satyendra Singh is the problem. ED हमेशा कोर्ट के सामने जाता है और कहता है हमें अधिक समय चाहिए, हमें और समय दीजिए, और मामला ऐसे ही टलता जाता है. यही जो दिक्कत है खास करके पीएमएलए को लेकर. एक बार आप पीएमएलए में अरेस्ट हो जाए 6 से 9 महीने आपको लाइफ एंड लिबर्टी मिलती नहीं है. क्या ये कहीं ना कहीं ईडी भी पीएमएलए का दुरुपयोग कर रहा है?
राजदीप जी, यदि ये कहा जाता है कि ट्रायल जल्दी नहीं किया गया, इन्वेस्टिगेशन में लोग कोऑपरेट नहीं करते हैं एक्यूज, और ट्रायल स्टार्ट करने के लिए आप देखिए एविडेंसेस कलेक्ट करने पड़ते हैं, और एविडेंसेस भी ऐसे कलेक्ट करने पड़ते हैं कि ट्रायल के अंदर वो अपनी जगह पे खड़े रहे. तो ये आरोप लगाना कि ईडी जानबूझ के डिले करती है सरासर गलत है. क्या आप कोई पर्टिकुलर केस में ही करती है? ये आरोप गलत है. देखिए, आप एक और समझें, आपको किस शायद आपको तो राजनीति पता होगा कि ईडी की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है. ईडी की टोटल स्ट्रेंथ है 2000. अब यदि ये कहा जाए कि नहीं साहब गवर्नमेंट को यहाँ बढ़ा के 10,000 कर देने चाहिए, ये डिले हो रहा है, तो देखिए जानबूझ के कुछ भी नहीं किया जा रहा है, सब
जानबूझ के
प्रोसेस
नहीं
में
किया
टाइम
जा रहा है,
लगता है।
लेकिन 2 साल
जी।
से ज्यादा हो गए हैं. And of course, the trial also has not started. So the questions will be raised. I'm not just saying it's in Arvind
देखिए,
Kejriwal's case, but
राजदीप
also.
जी, राजदीप जी,
जी.
राजदीप जी, एक बात सुने मेरी।
जी.
एक्स व्यक्ति को सम्मन दिया जाता है, बुलाया जाता है, वो 1 साल तक अपियर नहीं होता है, कोई ना कोई बहाना करके, और फिर कहता है कि ट्रायल स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ। ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है तो क्या है? आप बताइए।
जी.
या ये राइट है एक्यूज का, मैं मानता हूं अपने आप को डिफेंड करना उसका राइट है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट है, लेकिन ये एक्यूजेशन भी गलत है।
तो आप कह रहे हैं जब अक्यूज बार बार समन्स रिजेक्ट करते हैं तो मामला और टल जाता है. There is the politics involved in this. And remember, I spoke to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal during the election campaign last month, and I asked him what would happen, particularly with the Delhi elections coming in a few months from now, if he was still lodged in jail at the time. Listen into what he said. 8 महीने में दिल्ली में चुनाव होने हैं. अगर उस चुनाव के समय आप उसी तरह से जेल में रहें, क्या आम आदमी पार्टी इस तरह से लड़ सकती है चुनाव अगर उनका नेता जो है वो जेल में है?
अगर इन्होंने मेरे को दिल्ली के चुनाव में जेल में रखा, बिना प्रचार के 70 की 70 सीट आ जाएंगे, इनको एक भी नहीं मिलेगी. जनता देख रही है, जनता बहुत सियानी है. जब मैं बाहर निकला हूं, जनता में इतना गुस्सा कि ऐसे किसी को भी पकड़ के जेल में डाल देंगे. ये
लेकिन एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं होती
ये
किसी
क्या
नेता
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
की? एक बार अगर आपको जेल में जाना पड़ा है, जब तक आपको बरी नहीं किया जाता तब तक आप नहीं आ सकते.
ये तो जनतंत्र के खिलाफ है. अगर कोई मुख्यमंत्री अभूतपूर्व मैंडेट लेके जीत गया और उसको जेल में डाल के आप उसकी सरकार गिराना चाहते हो, उसको मुख्यमंत्री पद से हटाना चाहते हो, तो मेरे को तो संघर्ष करना चाहिए. मुझे मैदान छोड़ के भागना नहीं चाहिए. मैदान छोड़ के कायर भागते हैं, केजरीवाल नहीं भागता.
शाजिया इल्मी, is there a political angle to all of this? Because the Delhi elections are 7 to 8 months away, and the Aam Aadmi Party believes that the BJP is making every effort to ensure that Arvind Kejriwal does not come out till those elections in February next year.
So Rajdeep, just a reminder, Arvind Kejriwal, who made such a hue and cry and made it out to be that he was the sole pivot on which the entire elections are being held, and that he will be the main contender for Modi. How many seats did he have? 0. Because one seat also, which was held by Rinku, went away to BJP. I mean, he left for BJP. Now, how many seats did he get while he was doing prachar, for which he was treated like a special person? And I find, how many seats did he get? 3, I think, in Punjab.
3.
0 in Delhi. Now, Akshay Marathe talks about Aam Aadmi and all of that. I think this weekend, he will not be able to stay in that Sheesh Mahal. So, he's no Aam Aadmi there, unlike others, and the law will remain the same for everybody. He could very well get bail 2 days later. I mean, but the fact of the matter is that you can't just use judiciary as a punching bag when it suits you and when it doesn't. When actually your stay order is halted, what do you make it out to be about the BJP? When you actually get zamanat or bail, what do you say? You thank the court. It can't work. You can't have your cake and eat it too.
You can't have your cake and eat it too is what Shazia Ilmi says. Akshay Marathe, Shazia Ilmi says you can't have your cake and eat it too. The point is, the Aam Aadmi Party seems to believe that if Mr. Kejriwal is in jail, he seemed to suggest you'll get sympathy, you'll sweep Delhi. The fact is, he came out of jail, campaigned, and you got 0 seats in Delhi. Is there a sense now that the Aam Aadmi Party also is guilty in some way of trying to completely misread how this case is playing out?
Rajiv ji, I want to say that as a citizen of India, it is very disturbing and alarming to me that a young party like Aam Aadmi Party, it is only 10 years old. We have a state government in 2 states. We forayed into Goa, we forayed into Gujarat. We are one of the fastest growing political parties in India. A young party like ours is being strangulated using the institutional strength and might of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And we are not being able to ask the questions to the BJP about why they are doing that. How can we allow the BJP to let go scot-free when they have shown no respect for the democratic institutions in this country? We are a legitimate political party. We are not a terrorist organization. We are a legitimate elected government in Delhi. We are not some kind of pariah organization, but the BJP is going after us as though they should be going after Pakistan and China and, our foreign enemies, but they are incapable of doing that. They are incapable of running this country. They cannot stop paper leaks.
Not really.
They cannot
Don't
prevent.
be
They cannot
delusional, my
prevent
friend.
climate change from.
We will
destroying this
come to
country,
paper
but
leaks on another
all
day,
they can
Akshay.
all they can do is go after Arvind Kejriwal because they think of him as a threat.
Not this
Okay, you
They
persecution
think of
complex.
Arvind
It's
Kejriwal
not
as a
working
threat
anymore.
to the BJP.
Okay, I'm going to leave it there. Clearly, we hope to see what the court says in a more reasoned order next week. The Delhi High Court has that challenge before it to tell us whether they believe Mr. Kejriwal should be getting bail or not. Is the trial court order acceptable to them or not? But for now, clearly, lots of questions will still continue to swirl around in this case.